trouble.
Hi guys, welcome back to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa, and if you're new here to my home, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, hello and welcome. So guys, in my Sunday video, I told you all that I was going to purchase one or the two tables. So I ended up purchasing the table that was closest to me. Instead of me making a 1 hour drive and a 1 hour drive back, I purchased a table that was about 7 minutes from my home. So guys, I'm going to show you the table that I purchased. I'm going to show you the paint that I am going to use, because this is like a dark chocolate mahogany type color, and that's not what I want. Everything in the home is basically on a black bottom type pattern of the main furniture. So of course I definitely want this black. And also guys, I purchased some boxes to go up under here. If the boxes are a little bit too dark once I do them, I am going to show you how I am going to recover them. And on top of it, I am going to change the handles. I want my knobs and the ones on the box the same, so I will show you that. But first, let me go ahead and show you the table, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it. today is day number 2 because I painted the table and also I want it to completely dry overnight. So guys, I'm going to show you the table and I'm going to show you how I style my coffee table, sofa table, and then I'm gonna give you the specs of how much I paid for it. And I have something else that I did purchase from Facebook Marketplace, so don't sleep on Facebook Marketplace. So let me go ahead and show you the table and let's go ahead and style. So guys, here is the table. It is now a blackish color. The paint that I got, I really did not care for, but because I'm doing leather aspects within the area down here, such as pillows, all type of things like this. I remember I saw these pulls from Big Lots. They were $9, but when I got to the register, nope, they were on a clearance sale, so I only paid $7 for them. So I do have them on both of the drawers. And if you remember, I thought I had it in this drawer of the other ones that was here, but I actually love these pulls. It dress it up in a different way. So guys, it is time to go ahead and let's go ahead and dress it up.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know.
Okay guys, for the table, I paid $20 for my table. The paint was $5, the pulls was $7, and the boxers were $10. So if I put this on online and drop these items in online, I'm going to show you how much each item was. And of course, all the decor pieces I already had. So the only thing I upgrade the space with is the table, the pools, and also the boxes. And I absolutely love it.
I gotta go, I'll fly